Today our topics in about matrix multiplication. Last class we considered the properties of matrix, that means the different types of matrix and algebraic operation, addition, subtraction and scalar multiplication. And today is very important, matrix multiplication. In this video we learn about how to multiply 2 or 3 matrices. Okay, now start. Consider a matrix A multiplied with B and the resultant is C. Then C is called product of matrix A and B. C is called product of two matrix A and B. But one question comes, is always possible to multiply any two matrices? That means if we take any two matrices of any order, then we multiply. The answer is no. So if we take any two matrices, can't multiply these two matrices. Now question comes, so what is the condition if we take any two matrix and multiplication? This question is called compatibility of matrices. That means which condition says that two matrices is multiplicable. That means which condition say is multiplication possible or not. That means if we take A and B matrix, the answer is C is comes or not. So which condition is say that? So for that's why we take A matrix Aij element whose order is m by n. That means number of row is m and number of column is n, and it's denoted by its order of the matrix. And second matrix we take B and we written is Bij format and take this order is P by Q. That means the number of row P and number of column Q. A and B is multiplication is possible and we get the resultant matrix C if number of column in A equal to number of row in B. That means first matrix number of column equal to second matrix number of row. If this condition is satisfied, we this permission to multiply two matrix. So A cos B C. A matrix order m by n because we write here, B matrix order P by Q. And if this is equal, that's mean n equal to P. If n equal to P, then this possible A cross B and we get the matrix C. Now one question comes, what is the order of C? The order of C is the remaining two. That means the first matrix row number, second matrix column number. So order of C is M by Q. So again I repeat this process, two matrix is possible to multiply if the first matrix number of column equal to second matrix number of row and the resultant matrix, that means product matrix order is the remaining. That means the first matrix number of row and second matrix number of column. So if we take an example and clarify this, you understood very much. Consider A matrix of order 2 by 3 and B matrix order 3 by 4. So here 3, 3 both are equal, so A and B multiplicable. And if we multiply A by B and we get C, the order of C is 2, 4. Now if I get the second example and say A order 4 by 5 and B order 6 by 7. So it is possible to multiply. AB is possible or not? Obviously you get the answer is no, because A number of column 5, B number of 6, 5 not equal to 6, so AB is not possible. Okay, so again if I secondly give the A order 2 by 3, B order 3 by 5. So first matrix number of columns 3, second matrix number of row 3, so A cross B is possible. And A cross B, if we get the C, what is the order of C? Order of C is the here from 2 and here from 5. So the product matrix C answer is 2 by 5. Okay, just see it now. Now we take an example and see what is the process to multiply two matrices? Very important. So in ICSE and ISCA, matrix multiplication 100% possible to comes, and in ICSC 100% possible. That means definitely it's come matrix multiplication. Okay, now today we discuss how to multiply any two matrix. Okay, so first, student, you know, first order, there's A, number of row 2, number of column, so 2 by 2. Second, number of row, number of column, 2 by 2. So first matrix column 2, second matrix row 2, so it is possible to multiply. So it's first ensure that we multiply A and B. So which question given to our board exam and say A, find A cos B, A square, whatever, first you check the order and is given the multi-multiplication is possible. Now see how to multiply. Okay, see very carefully. So obviously the product matrix is ordered 2 by 2, so I write it right here, not mandatory to write the order. So first see how to multiply. First matrix take row order. Take first matrix take row, that means first row, and is multiply second matrix column. That means how to see. And this write in first position. So if we take the matrix, that means 4 element, and take 4 box and fill up this 4 box. See, first matrix first row multiply with second matrix first column and its element wise multiplication. That means 3 multiply 1, 3 into 1. Okay, then take plus sign. Then second element multiply with second element, 4 into 3. Okay, finish. Now it goes to the second part and comes here, and similar process repeat. That means 3 multiply with 2. Okay, 4 multiply plus sign, 4 multiply with 4. That means first row first element multiply with second row first element right here. First row second element multiply with first column second element right here. And obviously here plus sign, and if minus sign given then it's minus. Finish. Then first row multiplied with second column and first element multiply first element right here, take plus sign, second element multiplied with second right here. First row completed. Now we take the second row and it's multiply with first column and write in similar matter. First element multiplied with first element, 5 into 1. Okay, second element multiplied with second and take plus sign, 0 into 3. Okay, now 5 first second column multiplied with second, that's mean here, and write it 5 into 2, 5 into 2, take plus sign, 0 into 4. Okay, after you know the process, you don't write this pattern, direct you multiply. Okay, it is the process. You now first time you know how to multiply, that's why we write this one. But you take practice more and more, you take direct answer. That means this line. First 3 into 1 3, 12, 3 into 6 6, plus 16, 5 0, 10 0. Okay, so final answer 15 5, 22 10. So this is the answer of A and B. Okay, see carefully. Okay, so now see how we get the answer. Now we find B cos A. B cos A, check. Just we write 1 2 3 4 and multiply with 3 4 5 0. Since both the matrix 2 by 2 order, so B cos A also was possible. So A cos B is not always possible to find out the value of B cos B. But in this matrix we find A cos B also and B cos A also. Why? The first 2 is the column order and 2 is the row order. Now we take B cos A. Similar process of previous one. Okay, just see. First multiply 3. So 1 cos 3, take plus sign. 2 multiply 5. Done. Now this first row multiply first time here, second time here. So 1 into 4, 2 into 0. Okay, now first row completed. Now second, 3 into 3, 4 into 5, plus sign, always plus sign. If minus sign given, then minus sign. 3 into 4 and 4 into 0. And final answer, see, 3 into 3, 10, 9 plus 20, 3 into 3, first 10, 3 is 9, 4, 5, 20, here 4 plus 0 and 12 plus 0. So final product is 13, 4, 29, 12. Okay, so that we find AB and A cos B. But one question comes, so if we get the next page and AB, what is the AB answer? AB answer, we take 15, 22 and 5, 10. And we get BA, and what is the B answer? B answer is 13, 4, 13, 4, 29, 12. So now one question comes. In algebra, we know 2 cos 3, 6, 3 cos t. That means algebraic number, that means real number, sorry, you get the real number is commutative. But this is the first time you see, if we take two matrices, then AB not equal to BA. So one property is called, this property is called matrix multiplication is not commutative. Okay, does mean matrix multiplication is not commutative. Okay, thank you.